Welcome to Derive the Data Jargon on Data Cruise Arcade, the anagram game that builds your data vocabulary 10 rounds at a time. Head to Data Cruise Arcade and navigate to the Word Games section. Click Derive the Data Jargon to open the game. On the title screen, read the How to Play guide, then click Start 10 rounds to begin, or use Select rounds to customize your session. The main game screen is dark with a central play area where the letters of a data term are scattered and scrambled across the screen. Your job is to look at those letters and work out what data jargon word or phrase they form. At the bottom, you'll see a text input box labeled Type the Data Jargon. Type your answer and click Submit Jargon. If you're correct, a colored overlay appears showing the term and its definition. For example, if the scrambled letters spell data cleansing, you'll see the definition: detecting and fixing or removing errors and inconsistencies from data to improve its quality. Then move to the next round. If you're unsure, study the letters carefully. Look for familiar prefixes or roots from common data terminology and try to build the word from there. The game tracks your score and a streak multiplier that rewards consecutive correct answers. Common terms you might encounter include data cleansing, data normalization, data aggregation, data visualization, the core vocabulary used by data professionals every day. After 10 rounds, the Game Over screen shows your final score, how many you got right, and gives you the option to play again or keep training. Whether you got them all or missed a few, the definitions shown after each round make sure you always leave knowing more than when you started. Derive the Data Jargon is free on Data Cruise Arcade. Start unscrambling.